Hello friends, on this video I'm going to show you how you can reset your camera. So friends, before we continue, do not forget to like and subscribe my channel. Okay, so let's start the video. So to reset your camera, here you have to tap on camera. After that, from here you can see on the upward setting option, so just tap on setting. When you move on setting, from here you just scroll down and here you can see the restore defaults, so just tap on restore defaults. After that, click on done. Then here it says, do you want to recover default setting of camera? So just click on done, and here your camera will be restored. Okay, it will be restart. Okay, so you can restart your camera easily like this by just tapping on restore defaults. Okay friends, and friends, here you can see the save location, and if you want to save your camera location, from here you just activate this icon. Here your location will be activated. Okay, if you off, then this is the off option, and here is the on option. Okay, so if you want to turn off, then you just click on this icon, and if you want to off, then you just click on this icon, it will be off. Okay, and friends, doing that you can on activate this add logo watermark. Also you can activate just activate this one, add logo watermark. After that, click on add time watermark. Here your watermark will be activated. Okay, whenever you will capture some photos, then it will be activated. Okay, suppose I captured this photo, then after that, here you can see the shot on Realme. You can check everything from here. Okay, you can change your mobile phone name also if you want to change it. Okay, suppose this is the watermark, and from here you can see the time watermark. If you want to change the name, then you can check my another video. I have create some videos about it, how you can change your watermark. Okay, you can check my videos. Okay friends, and friends, hope you love it, and if you love it, do not forget and subscribe my channel. Friends, thanks for watching. Bye.